Hello friends, continuing with our series of videos on Sun in various houses of Gemini Ascendant. Let's today talk about Sun in the 11th house of Gemini Ascendant. As you can see, this is a Gemini Ascendant, number 3. The sign Gemini is written in the Lagna or the Ascendant. Sun is in the 11th house where number 1 is written. 1 is the sign Aries and Sun becomes exalted or Uch here, and so becomes very strong to give good results. And Sun is the lord of the 3rd house where number 5 is written, which is the sign Leo. Sun is the lord of Leo. So we will see what results Sun will give because of its placement in the 11th house and because of its lordship of the 3rd house. Thereafter we will see the results Sun will give when it is placed in different nakshatras in this sign. And in the end, we will look at the remedies, upayas or precautions. One more thing to be noticed here is that the 3rd house represents younger brothers and sisters. The 11th house represents elder brothers and sisters, and Sun itself represents the father. So I will talk about these 3 relatives as well. Looking at the 11th house. 11th house is one of the best houses of the horoscope. It is the house of wish fulfillment, profits, gains, and Sun becoming exalted in this position is a very good sign. This person will have very big dreams and very big ideas and very lofty plans, and he will have success also in achieving those plans. He will have good friends. His friend circle will comprise of people in high positions because Sun represents governments. So his friend circle could include high level officials, and all these people will be very helpful to him. Basically, Sun in this position is going to provide the person with all kind of gains and wish fulfillment that he can think of. The 11th house is also the house of welfare activities. That is the activities that we do for society. So this person here will get involved in those welfare activities for the society, and he will get social recognition and status and success in that. This position of Sun gives the person a lot of respect, esteem from general population, public, his friends, etc. Sun being the lord of the 3rd house. The 3rd house indicates our communications, short travels, etc. So during this period, the person will be involved in communication activities such as writing, printing press, newspaper, radio, television, post office, telegraph office. These kind of activities, as well as activities on internet such as being on Instagram, Facebook, very active. And because the 11th house is connected, the person will get a lot of recognition, name and fame. In the media, he can become very popular if Sun is in this position. The 3rd house also indicates our younger brothers and sisters. And so we will find during this period, the younger brother or sister, for them, this is the 9th house. And 9th house is considered to be a very lucky house. And so, for the younger brothers and sisters, this will be a period of luck. They will undertake higher education. They may become very religious during this period, and the younger brother or sister can go on a long travel if connected to good planets or good dasha. Then the younger brother or sister can go abroad during this period. The 3rd house also indicates our short travels. So during this period, the owner of this horoscope will undertake many short travels, from where generally he will come back home on the same day. The travels may be on a scooter, cycle, rickshaw, etc. and they could be for his work, and these travels will give him a lot of profit and gains. For the elder brothers and sisters, since Sun is in the house which represents the elder brothers and sisters, and the sign there is Aries, so the personality of the young elder brother or sister will be a mix of Sun and the Aries sign which belongs to Mars. And so we may find that the elder brother or sister of the person may have a very ambitious, authoritative, go ahead and do something, that kind of a personality. They will take a lot of initiative. They are likely to be fair in color with a strong body and constitution. Regarding the father of the person, since sun represents the father and father is also seen from the 9th house, during this period we will find that the father of the person will undertake a lot of communication activities. He will write a lot of letters, a lot of emails. He will be very active on social media or maybe some kind of communications with other people. He may also be into writing, printing, or these kind of activities. Since sun is also the lord of the 3rd house and 9th house is opposite the 3rd house, we will find that the father of this person may also begin a new business during this period, and the business may be connected to communication activities or to short travels. The father of the person may also take lot of short travels during this period for his business. Moving on to the nakshatras. This is the sign Aries. Every sign has 3 nakshatras and the sign of Aries has 3 nakshatras. The first one belongs to Ketu, the second to Venus, and the third to Sun itself. So in case Sun is in Aries, in this sign number 1, Sun is from 0 degrees to 13 degrees 20 minutes. Sun will be in the sign of Ketu. So we must see the position of Ketu and decide the results accordingly. Because Ketu does not own any houses, so general results cannot be told. It has to be done after looking at the position of Ketu only. When Sun is from 13 degrees to 26 degrees 40 minutes, Sun will be in the sign of Venus. So once again we must see the placement of Venus and also the houses that Venus owns in this horoscope, which are the 12th house and the 5th house. So other than the placement of Venus, wherever Venus is placed, we will find the results of the 5th house and 12th house will also come. That is, something will happen regarding the children of the person. And because Sun is placed in the 11th house, most likely the person may either gain a child during this period or the person may invest their money. The person may find an increase in their intelligence and effective intelligence, how they apply it to day-to-day life during this period, and the person may also want to go on a lot of recreational activities such as going to cinema, theatre, movie halls, going to art galleries, painting exhibitions, parks, gardens, picnics, etc. The results of 12th house indicates abroad or hospital or expenses. So during this period, because the 5th house also indicates investments, we may find that the person may invest their money, because basically the 12th house is showing a loss of money, and loss of money means a reduction in bank balance, which can happen by losses also as well as by investments also. So we must see the dasha antardasha where it is connected, and in case the connection is to good planets during the dasha antardasha, in that case the person will go abroad, the person will invest their money in some venture. However, in case it is connected to bad houses and bad planets, then in that case the person is likely to lose their money during investment. Overall, when we look at this position of this Sun, this is the one of the best positions that can be found in the horoscopes. And so we must do the remedies of Sun so as to keep the Sun Lord happy, so as to enable him to give us even better results in our horoscope. Some remedies and precautions have been told by Lal Kitab also, which I will also mention in this video. In order to obtain best results from Sun, when Sun is in the 11th house in Gemini ascendant, the remedies are that we must pray to Lord Sun, offer water to Sun in the morning, and read Gayatri Mantra. Some precautions have been told by Lal Kitab. The first precaution is not to eat non-veg, because eating non-veg affects getting a child for the person. And second remedy is a lifestyle habit is to maintain a very high standard of moral values and moral conduct. Doing these things will enable Sun to give you even better results in your horoscope. I hope you would have understood the basics of Sun in the 11th house of Gemini. See you in the next video. Thank you.